In this tutorial, we will focus on the importance of evidence as your dissertation's foundation. A dissertation is a big task. It's a significant academic endeavor that requires dedication and hard work. It's your chance to show what you've learned throughout your studies with a final piece of research. Evidence is crucial in this process, and this is why students often hear their professor prompting them with the phrase, "standing on the shoulder of giants." It means that your arguments must be supported by solid evidence, often from expert researchers, what we call academic literature, but also from credible and up-to-date market data. This is what gives your dissertation credibility. Think of building a house. Just as a house needs a strong foundation, your dissertation needs strong evidence. Evidence is like the bricks and mortar that hold your arguments together. Without them, your house would crumble. Similarly, without evidence, your dissertation would fall apart. In fields like marketing and consumer behavior, evidence is everywhere. Data from real campaigns, studies on consumer psychology, theoretical frameworks providing structure to your analysis and insights into market and consumer trends are all examples of evidence you can use. These examples give your ideas weight and show that your conclusions are well-founded. They show you've done your research thoroughly and considered various sources. Using evidence makes your work more convincing and credible. It shows you've considered different viewpoints and integrated them into your work. It also helps others follow your thought process and understand your conclusions. Remember, clarity is key in academic writing. Make sure your evidence is clear and well-organized. Giants in marketing and consumer behavior. Standing on the shoulders of giants is a famous phrase, often used to describe how we build upon the work of those who came before us. It means we don't start from scratch. Instead, we leverage the knowledge and discoveries of previous scholars. In academia, this is especially true. Every new theory or model is built on the foundation laid by earlier researchers. We don't start from scratch. We learn from established research and theories, which guide our own inquiries. By studying these established works, we gain insights that help us understand complex concepts and phenomena. Think of marketing giants like Philip Kotler or Al Ries. Their groundbreaking work forms the bedrock of the discipline. Their theories and principles are taught in classrooms around the world, shaping the minds of future marketers. In consumer behavior, we have pioneers like Abraham Maslow and Leon Festinger. Their insights into human needs and decision-making are invaluable. Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Festinger's cognitive dissonance theory have profoundly influenced how we understand consumer choices. By understanding their contributions, we can push the boundaries further. We can build on their work to develop new theories and models. We can identify gaps in existing knowledge and explore new areas, driving the field forward and making our own contributions to the body of knowledge. Trustworthy sources. Separating fact from fiction. Not all information is created equal. Some sources are more reliable than others, and it's essential to distinguish between them. In the digital age, we're bombarded with content from all directions. Social media, news outlets, blogs, and academic journals all vie for our attention. Knowing how to evaluate sources is crucial. Look for peer-reviewed articles, as these have undergone rigorous scrutiny by experts. These have been vetted by experts in the field. Check the author's credentials to ensure they have the necessary expertise. Are they recognized as experts in their field? Do they have a history of credible work? Be wary of biased information. Bias can distort facts and lead to misinformation. Look for neutral and balanced perspectives. These provide a more accurate representation of the topic. Cross-reference information to ensure accuracy. Multiple sources can confirm the validity of the data. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always question extraordinary claims. Using reliable sources strengthens your dissertation. It shows thorough research and a commitment to accuracy. It shows you can discern quality information and present it effectively. It also protects your own credibility as a researcher, ensuring your work is respected and trusted by others. AI to the rescue to help you find the best sources. Technology is transforming research. AI tools like Consensus and Sci-Space are game changers for finding the best citations, as they will identify sources from top-cited academic authors and journals to support your reasoning. These platforms use machine learning to sift through vast amounts of data within the academic literature. They will help you find relevant studies quickly and efficiently. And by the way, you should never trust ChatGPT or other non-academic AI, as they are well known for generating inaccurate citations. Consensus focuses on answering research questions directly from scientific data. Sci-Space, on the other hand, helps you discover and understand scientific knowledge, and it's fantastic from identifying suitable research gap and cluster of similar studies. Both platforms can save you countless hours of manual searching. Use them to supplement, not replace, your own critical thinking. Citing your way to success. Citations are the backbone of academic integrity. They give credit where credit is due. They also allow readers to trace your sources. Use a consistent citation style throughout your dissertation. Harvard and APA are popular choices. Each style has specific rules for formatting. Mastering these rules is essential. Fortunately, there are plenty of online resources to help. Accurate citations are not just about avoiding plagiarism. They demonstrate your understanding of the academic process. They show respect for the work of others. Remember, a well-cited dissertation is a strong dissertation. Thank you for listening and best of luck in your dissertation.